Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of the React Native. So today we are going to learn about the React Native state. So let's get started. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. So let's get started. Props and state in the React Native. Props are set by the parent and they are fixed throughout the lifetime of a component. That is correct. For the data that is going to be changed, then we are going to use the state. React provides so many different hooks which are very useful for the day-to-day development. To manage state, React provides the use state, okay, hook which will help you to get and set the state. Okay, so managing state is very easy, but at the same time, it's gonna be tricky. So it depends how we are going to use it, like increment and decrement. Okay, we are taking the example of like this. So use state hook. So we are using here, you import React use state from React, and you need to define the state variable set state function like this, okay, for setting the state and getting the state. Once you have your state defined, you can use the value x anywhere wherever you want to change the value of value x. So you need to just set the value with the set value x, some value which will be automatically update the value, right? So this is a small code that we have added. So let me copy and add this so you will get to know about it. Okay, so this, let's copy this whole one and let's add in the app.js. Okay, so it will be safe, and let's see. So you can see that keeps on changing. Okay, hello, I'm value x 6 7. It keeps on changing and it keeps on decreasing. So you can see that here by default value is 0. So when the value x is printed, its by default is 0 and keeps on increasing by +1. We are in the use effect. Okay, we have used by after an interval of time, we are just evaluating the set value x by 1 and value y, that is this is the by default value, we are keep decrementing. Okay, and and here we are using clear interval. Okay, so you can see that it keeps on increasing and it keeps on decreasing. Okay, this is the thing that we can, the states are keep on changing and we are setting the values accordingly, right? So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Have a great day.